Morning, children. How are you? We are going to study health and hygiene. Health and hygiene. Yes, health and hygiene already we saw. That means what is health, what is balanced diet, disease, comparison between the acute and chronic disease, comparison between the communicable non-communicable disease, vector carries, disease and their pathogens, non-communicable disease, nomenclature of vitamins, genetic disorders, malfunctioning of an organ, allergens, these all studied. Yes or no, children? Yes. Now we have to study to avoid habits to avoid. எந்த ஹேபிட்ஸ்லாம் அவாய்ட் பண்ணணும்? Okay? Habits to avoid. Certain substances are associated in nature. Example, nicotine, alcohol, drugs, caffeine. These are the certain substances. Avoid, habit to avoid substances. They might be useful in serving in medicinal purpose, but their constant use in harmful to health. These are using harmful to health. Nicotine, we will see nicotine first. Nicotine is found in tobacco. Nicotine is found in tobacco. Tobacco may be chewed and smoked. Chewing of tobacco may result in oral cancer. Tobacco chewing, oral cancer. Smoking may cause lung cancer, strain the teeth, cause difficulty in breathing, cough. Cigarette smoke contain carbon monoxide and tar besides the nicotine. Okay, what are the things have nicotine? Tobacco, somebody chewing and somebody smoking. Yes, cigarette smoking, that also had nicotine. The chewing tobacco may result oral cancer, smoking lung cancer, stain the teeth, cause the difficulty in breathing, cough. Cigarette smoking contain carbon monoxide and tar besides nicotine. Very dangerous nicotine. This is habit to avoid. Avoid these habits. Okay, next, alcohol. Large quantities of alcohol may damage the liver. Large quantity of alcohol damage the liver. It slows down the activity of the brain. The reflex of person it affect the voluntary muscular action of the person too. Yes, alcohol drinkers. Yes, large quantities of alcohol may damage the liver. Damage the liver. It slow down activity of the brain. Reflects a person. It affects the voluntary muscular action of the person too. So this one, avoid it. Okay, very dangerous one, avoid it. Drugs. Drugs taken as intoxicant and stimulant become addictive in nature. Could be addictive in nature. They affect the brain activity, produce hallucination, delusion and may distort a person's rational thought process. Cocaine, heroin, opium are some harmful drugs are there. Cocaine, heroin, opium are some harmful drugs. This one make a disease, affect the brain activity, produce hallucination, delusion, and may distort a person's rational thought process. Rational thought process. Okay. Next, caffeine. Caffeine is usually taken as a stimulant. It is found in coffee beans. Coffee beans. Overdose of caffeine may induce insomnia, inability to sleep, restless, irritability, inability to sleep, that is the insomnia, irritability to sleep, restless, irritability, inability to sleep, restless, irritability. These are causes. These causes are from the caffeine. Hence, we should abstain from these addictive substances and not succumb to peer pressure. So, it is dangerous one. Habit. These all habits to avoid. To avoid these all habits. Okay. Yes. Nicotine, alcohol, drugs, caffeine. Okay. What is first aid? You know that, yes, it is the immediate assistance or immediate care given to the person who has been injured or suddenly become ill from the moment of this accident until availability of special medical care. That is first aid. Besides suffering from diseases, a person may also fall prey to minor accidents such as bruise, a cut, burn, sting of an insect, etc. If the basic first aid administration is known, relief may be provided. Listed below the some basic remedial measures that can taken before medical help arrives for various accidental situations. First one we will see the burns, தீக்காயம், burns. Pour cold water over the burnt. இப்போ தீ பிடிச்சிட்டு தீக்காயம் வந்துட்டு அப்படின்னா first pour cold water over the burnt area for superficial burn. Then apply an anti-burn ointment. Do not apply oil, Vaseline, etc. தண்ணியை நல்லா ஊற்றிட்டு ஆன்டிபர்ன் ஆயின்மெண்ட்டை போடணும். That is the first aid of burns. Do not apply oil and Vaseline. Do not apply oil and Vaseline. Immediate step to take for a burn. First, flush a burned area, cool running water for several minutes. Not only 1 minute, several minutes you pour water. Call 911 for a severe burn. ரொம்ப சிவியராக பேன் இருந்துச்சுன்னா 911 கால் பண்ணணும். Apply a ban ointment or spray for pain. Take ibuprofen or acetaminophen for relief if necessary. So, we will this one you immediate step take it, immediate step. Okay, these are the first aid of burns, first aid of burns. Okay, next, deeper burn means do not use water. Deeper burn, deeper burns, do not use water. Do not pull away cloth stuck to the burn area. Apply a sterile dressing. Seek medical help. உடனே medical help தான் பார்க்கணும். For burns due to acid, keep the affected area in running water for a few minutes. Pat, dry, and apply sterile dressing. Acid burn also is there. Acid கொட்டி எரிஞ்சு போகும். Keep the affected area in running water for a few minutes. Pat, dry, and apply sterile dressing. Okay. First is simple burn, deeper burn, and burns due to acids. These all different first aid are there. All are not same first aid. Okay. Yes. Cuts and yes, cuts. Do not touch an open wound without safety gloves. Without the safety gloves, don't touch the wound. Pressing directly on minor cuts will stop bleeding in a few minutes. Apply cold compress to bruises to reduce swelling. In the case of cut, clean the area with antiseptic lotion. The cut, which place cut, that place you clean it with antiseptic lotion. Apply antiseptic cream. Okay, antiseptic cream. Bleeding due to deep cut, ரொம்ப deep cut ஆயிட்டு. What will you do? In the case of bleeding, rinse the affected area to reduce the flow of blood. Due to the gravitational force, apply pressure on the cut area to minimize the blood flow. Apply an antiseptic cream if possible. Apply antiseptic cream if possible. Okay, bleeding due to deep cut. Deep cut means in the case of bleeding, rinse the affected area to reduce the flow of blood due to gravitational force. இப்படி தூக்கி வைக்கணும், இப்படி தலைகள் வச்சுட்டு கூடாது. Okay, apply pressure on the cut area to minimize the blood flow. Pressure, அது கட் பண்ணியிருக்க இடத்த கை வச்சு அழுத்தி பிடிக்கணும். Apply an antiseptic cream if possible. Antiseptic cream if possible. Next one, fracture. Loosen the clothing over the fracture area. Minimize movement of the fractured area. A simple definition of the word fracture is broken bone. It is usually diagnosed in the ER with the use X-ray. Good therapeutic way of healing a fracture is more immobilizing via a cast or brace. Fracture can be result of various accidents such as sports injury, accident, falling on it. That like what will you do? Loosen the clothing over the fractured area. Loosen the clothing over the fractured area. Minimize movement of the fractured area. Fractured area, minimize movement of the fractured area. To work. Loosen the clothing over the fractured area. Minimize movement of the fractured area. Minimize movement of the fractured area. Okay. Yes. Painting. Painting. What is painting? You know, the medical term of fainting is syncope. Fainting is a sudden loss of consciousness. Loss of consciousness. Conscious இல்லாம போகிறது. Usually temporary and typically caused by lack of oxygen in the brain. The brain oxygen deprivation has many possible causes, including hypertension, low blood pressure. Low blood pressure. The brain oxygen deprivation has many possible causes, including hypertension, hypotension, low blood pressure. Make a fainting. What will you do? What is the first aid of this fainting? If a person faints, loosen the person's clothing. ஒருவன் தலை சுத்தி அப்படியே விழுந்துட்டான் அப்படின்னா உடனே அவனை ட்ரெஸ்ஸை கொஞ்சம் லூஸ் பண்ணி விடணும். Do not crowd around him. அவனை சுத்தி ஒரு கூட்டம் கூடக்கூடாது. Let there be ventilation. Keep a check that his tongue does not roll back. Keep a check that his tongue does not roll back. It may pressed down with a spoon to prevent the rolling back. It may be pressed down with a spoon to prevent the rolling back. நாக்கு உள்ள எடுப்பாங்க. வந்து என்ன செய்யணும்? Spoon. With a spoon to prevent the rolling back. Okay, these are the first aid, fainting first aid. Okay, next, bee sting. Honey bee sting. Honey bee sting. In the case of honey bee sting, removed from the skin. The honey bee sting should be removed from the skin. முதல்ல ஹனிபி கொட்டுன இடத்துல முள்ளு இருக்கும், அந்த முள்ளை எடுத்துடணும். Site cleaned and disinfected. Site cleansed and disinfected. Ice pack. Elevation. Analgesic. Antihistaminic. Topical calamine lotion. Patient with multiple bee sting should be monitored for evidence of renal failure and coagulopathy. Anaphylaxis, and adrenaline 0.5 ml in 1:1000 dilution with bronchodilators. 02 and intubation. 02 and intubation. These are the treatment, more treatment given here. In the book, very less only given. In the case of someone has been stung by a wasp or bee, try to remove the sting. Apply baking soda or anything alkaline. Baking soda apply, otherwise any alkaline apply. Even a toothpaste over the stung area. Toothpaste கூட வைக்கலாம். Okay. Stung by the wasp. Stung. That one, take it, remove the sting. Apply baking soda. Remove the sting, apply baking soda. Otherwise, any other alkaline like toothpaste over the tongue area. Next one we have to see snake bite. In the case of snake bite, squeeze out some blood from the wound and tie the tourniquet. Tie it above the wound and to prevent the spread of venom. Okay? பாம்பு கடிச்சிட்டா அதை டைட்டாக கெட்டிடணும். Okay? After swallowing poison, somebody swallowing poison குடிச்சிருவாங்க. Person allowed something poison induce vomiting by forcing with him to drink salty water or by inserting your finger down his throat. Somebody drinking poison means that induce vomiting by forcing him to drink salt water or by inserting your finger down his throat. Okay? Yes. Inserting your finger down his throat. Vomit எடுக்க வச்சிடணும். That after that will get free. Okay. Heart attack. What is the first aid of heart attack? Our aim is to ensure make causality comfortable, call for ambulance, monitor vital signs, do not give aspirin, reassure, prepare to resuscitate if necessary. That means here, in the case of suspected heart attack, make a person lie down. படுக்க வைக்கணும். Loosen his clothing. Do not crowd around him. He may be given an aspirin which act as blood thinner. Give aspirin. The aspirin act as a blood thinner. Next one, fever. Fever is not an ailment. It is indication that all is not well with the body. It is the symptoms and not a sign of disease. Fever may be treated by administering analgesic, antipyretic, and antipyretic provides relief from the fever, whereas the analgesic provides relief from body ache. For example, paracetamol commonly given to the person in the case he suffers from the fever is both an antipyretic as well as anti-allergic. Analgesic. Antipyretic, analgesic. Antipyretic and analgesic. Okay. These sign of disease of specific symptoms of the disease. Symptoms is generally indication that the body is at disease. Blood in the sputum, pain in the chest are coupled of sign of pulmonary tuberculosis. Fever and body ache are the symptoms of the same jaundice. Is the sign of hepatitis. Fever is in the symptoms. Another disease also fever is the symptoms. So check it properly. Okay, next one. Healthy practices to help maintain health. Healthy practices. What are the healthy practices? Healthy food we will eat. Yes. Now that we have known how diseases may be caused and how they spread. எப்படி நோய் வருது, எப்படி நோய் பரவுது. It would be easier to list a few do's and don'ts that would help us to remain healthy and disease free. These healthy practices are listed below. healthy practices listed below. Intake of balanced diet with a sufficient amount of fruits and vegetables. That is very important. First point, intake of balanced diet with a sufficient amount of fruits and vegetables. It is the first point of healthy practice. Maintains the health. A balanced diet would provide all the nutrients in the right ratio, hence there would be no deficiency or exercise of any nutrient. Fruits and vegetables contain vitamin and minerals. Vitamin C helps build our immunity. Certain vitamin and mineral help form helper enzymes and promote the functioning of the body. Example, vitamin K help form coenzymes. Calcium help clotting. Helpers. That mineral help forms helper enzymes. Promote the functioning of body. Vitamin K helps form coenzymes. Calcium helps in clotting. Wash vegetable and fruits where before ingesting them in a raw state. This prevents the accidental entry of worms into the body. First, intake of balanced food with a sufficient fruits and vegetables. Vegetables and fruits you are eating before you wash vegetables and fruits. The raw state is good, so wash and eat. This prevents the accidental entry of worms into the body. Accidental entry of worms into the body. Cook the vegetables and flesh well to kill the harmful microbes and eggworms. Cook vegetables and flesh well, mutton, poultry, vegetables. Cook properly. Cook properly that harmful microbes will die. Eggworms, harmful microbes will die. Do not eat food material exposed to dust or insects since it may lead to a diseased condition. Do not allow garbage to collect in your neighborhood as it attracts insects which maybe carries the disease. Do not allow the garbage to collect your neighborhood. It attracts insects which may be the carriers of diseases. Do not allow water to stagnate in your surrounding since mosquito breed in water and hence mosquito may flourish. Maintain personal hygiene. Wash your hands before eating. Keep your nails trimmed as bacteria, dirt might accumulation accumulate under one's nails and be a cause for disease. Keep your body clean, wash and your hair. Splash your eyes with water to remove the dust and pathogens. Wear clean clothes. Wear clean clothes. Fungal infection and infections through the fecal oral route can be kept at bay in this manner. In this case of contagious viral infection like chickenpox, measles, mumps, etc. Keep the infected person in isolation to prevent spread of disease. A quarantine period is often advised by the doctor. Quarantine period is often advised by the doctor. This is this is the period of time after which is the chances spread of the disease and negligible and it is safe for the affected person to the remove around in public. That like here contains the virus infection, chickenpox, measles, mumps. This type of disease means quarantine period often advised by the doctor. This is the period of time after which chances spread of the disease and negligible, and it is safe for the affected person to move the around the public. Immunization against diseases help to prevent them to activity. So we will see what is that, what are the help, maintain the health, intake of balanced diet, fruit and vegetable, wash and eat the fruit and vegetable, cook vegetables properly after only to kill the harmful microbes. Do not eat food material exposed to dust. Do not allow garbage to collect in your neighborhood. Do not allow water to stagnate in your surrounding. Maintain personal hygiene. Wash your hand before eating, after eating. In the case of heterogeneous virus infection like the chicken pox, measles, mumps, keep the infected person in isolation to prevent the spread of disease. A quarantine period of often advised by the doctor. This is the period of time after which chances spread of the disease are negligible, and it is safe for affected person to the move around in public. Immunization against disease help to prevent them to actively. Okay, these are the healthy practice to help maintain health. Body's natural defenses against disease. Body natural defenses against diseases. Tears. Tears wash away irritating substances and microbes. Lysosome kills many bacteria. Okay, tears wash away the germs from the eyes. Next one, mucus membrane lying on the nose traps germs and dust particles. Yes, the mucous membrane lining of the nose traps germs and just dust particles. Leukocytes attack germs that are invading the body. Leukocytes attack germs that are invading the body. Leukocytes attack germs that are invading the body. Strong acids secreted by stomach fill germs that have been swallowed. Skin acts as a barrier and entering the body. Skin acts as a barrier and keep out most germs entering the body. Skin provides a physical barrier to the entrance of the microbes. Acidic pH discourages the growth of organism. Sweat and oil gland secretion kill many bacteria. Sweat and oil gland secretion kill many bacteria. In the stomach, acid kill organisms. Bladder, urine washes microbes from urethra. Large intestine, normal bacterial influences invader in check. Saliva washes microbes from the teeth and mucous membrane of the mouth. Respiratory tract, mucous tract organism, cilia sweep away tract from trapped organisms. Stomach, acid kills organisms. Bladder, urine Urine washes microbes from the urethra. Urine washes microbes from the urethra. So these are the body's natural defenses against diseases. Okay, everybody study this one. Role and sources of some important minerals and write in your classwork note. Role and sources of some important minerals. Okay, that is in your classwork note. After source and roles of some vitamins also read in your home. Okay, after some bacterial diseases, some viral diseases given there. You read that disease and cholera, diphtheria, gonorrhea, leprosy, pneumonia, syphilis, tetanus. These are the common bacterial diseases. Typhoid, tuberculosis, whooping cough. Some viral disease, AIDS, chickenpox, common cold, German measles, influenza, that like some measles, hepatitis, measles, mumps, poliomyelitis, rabies. These are some examples of. These are the some viral disease examples. Okay, this lesson completed. Everybody study this one. Okay, hygiene. Everybody this lesson completed, fully completed. So you study this lesson properly. Okay, children, studying or not? Write your homework neatly and send it that same day. Okay, health and hygiene completed. Fifth lesson completed. Only one more lesson is there. Everybody study properly. Everybody study properly. So study it. This lesson, food, health and hygiene. Health and hygiene. Everybody study. Yes. Write the homework neatly. Write blanks. Write 10. Fill in the blanks. Classwork. Role and sources of some important minerals. Role and sources of some important minerals. That is your classwork. The table. Okay. That all write in your classwork note. Write 10. Fill in the blanks in your class homework note. Send it homework. Okay. Daily send your homework properly. Okay, children, study properly this lesson. Okay.